Hey, what's good, y'all? It's Desi, and we back. Happy Mardi Gras. We're making a very simple dish, potato stew, or like my grandma calls stewed potatoes. That's how she does it, so let's get it. I started with some sausage here. I got some bell peppers and onions, some potatoes. These are 2 russet potatoes. I was going to use 3, but I really didn't need that much because I wanted to make a small batch. So we just browning some sausage here. And once you get the color that you want, we're going to go ahead and add the potatoes in here. We're not going to cook them all the way. We're just going to kind of cook them and put them to the side. Now, I always use a fresh pan when I make my roux. You want it a darker color because that's where the flavor is going to be at. When it gets here, you want to add your bell peppers and onions. Sometimes I'll do a butter and flour, but for this, I want to use the oil and flour roux. So mix all that together. Then we're going to let it sit for a minute and do its thing. Then we're going to add in our potatoes and sausage that we put to the side. We're going to mix that together. Get all that roux up off the bottom. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to add some water, and we just want to fill it to barely the top of the potatoes. Make sure after you add your water that you go ahead and you blend it pretty good. That way you get anything that's stuck on the bottom, so we can get everything mixed together. You want it on a medium heat and you want to cover it. It's gonna boil. This is about halfway through, so you want to keep stirring it every time you check on it. That way, in case potatoes stick or anything like that. Now this, I'd say we got about 10 minutes left on this. So at this point, this is when you want to start adding your seasonings. Alright, so I started with just some black pepper, and then we went ahead and added in some onion powder. Remember, less is more right now because you don't want it to add the seasoning and then it cooks down and then it's too salty. Okay, so just watch your seasonings. I also added some garlic salt and a little bit of cayenne pepper. This is my black magic seasoning. I ordered this. I like the flavor, but it's up to you what you want to put in there. You can hit it with that Tony Chachere's. You can put your Zatarans. Some people do Nunus. If you're a Mrs. Dash person, I don't care. That's your food. You do what you want with it. It's very simple food. Don't overcomplicate it with all these flavors. Okay, the flavor is going to be the rule. All right, y'all, this is the finish, this is the grand reveal, and see how it's cooked down. It got a little more color. You can see the seasonings. Everything's kind of worked in there, so this is where you want it to be. When everything's done, you can re-season to your own taste, okay? Add more if you need to. All right, y'all, now you know I keep my rice on deck all the time. That white rice, it's always a pot going. It's just, that's what we do over here. So we get the white rice down nice and hot. Then we're going to go ahead and add that potato stew right on the top. Get as much as you want, as saucy as you want. If you want it kind of dry, don't put that much. My grandma can throw down, y'all. She's from Lafayette, Louisiana. We Creole people over here. She can throw down, and of everything that she makes, this is probably my most favorite thing. It's very simple, but it's hearty. It's just delicious. And this is what we got. This is the end result. So try it out. Let me know how you like it.